Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with a DIY technique on how to lighten your lips. So darkening of the lips can happen as a result of hyperpigmentation. This is typically a harmless condition caused by excess melanin. Lip pigmentation can also be caused by excessive sun exposure, smoking, allergic reactions to toothpaste and lipsticks and so on, lack of hydration, as well as too much caffeine. Most of these causes can be addressed by wearing sunscreen, hydrating, limiting smoking or quitting smoking altogether, limiting caffeine intake, or change of toothpaste. Anemia, chemotherapy, vitamin deficiencies, and excessive fluoride use can also darken the lips. So in previous videos I have spoken about plain yogurt and how to use this both as a hair mask as well as a moisturizer on your face. In the same way you can use this on your lips. Apply a layer onto your lip and leave it on for about 20 to 30 minutes. Rinse and moisturize afterwards. If you want to take it a step further for even more moisturizing effects, lightening and brightening effects, as well as exfoliation, you can do the following. Add lemon juice, honey, as well as brown sugar. You don't need too much of each ingredient. It's a little difficult to give you exact measurements for such a small dose. So use your discretion and use a little bit of each to make a consistency that is scrub-like. So once you've made a paste of this, apply it on your lips. Rub gently as the skin on your lips is quite sensitive. So after having rubbed this on your lips, you can dust off the sugar and leave the rest of this mixture for about 20 to 30 minutes and then rinse off. The sugar will help exfoliate your lips, removing dead skin cells and exposing new skin, while the honey will soften, moisturize, and help with exfoliation to some degree. Honey is an excellent natural bleaching agent, and yogurt is used for its lightening and moisturizing properties. It's worth noting that with natural remedies such as this one, it takes some time for the results to show. So please be patient and try this out every day for a week or two before giving up. And yet another simple DIY beauty hack. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you'll try this out and let me know how it works for you. If you enjoyed this video and if you'd like videos such as this one and others on minimalism, sustainability, and self-development, please be sure to hit the like and subscribe button for more videos such as this one. So until next time, be the change you want to see.